Hi, thanks for joining me. I'm Marilyn with Hancy Creations. Today in this quick video, I'm going to show you about our registration marks, how they can help you with your repeats, and in our overall patterns, how they can help you align each row. So let's get to it. This is our bird on the wire stencil, number 30682. It's a really cute border, and I chose it because it's a simple registration mark repeat. There's two of them, so as you're transferring the stencil, you just have to be sure to transfer that mark along with it. To do your repeat, you're just going to jog it over and overlay the registration mark. That's all there is to it. This is going to help you keep your stencil nice and aligned, and you would just continue as many repeats as you need to complete your border, and then you're ready to sew. Well, now you know how to transfer the simple borders that have the registration lines for your repeat. Next, I'm going to show you one that's a little bit more complicated. It is called our Corndana 30530. It's beautiful, and the registration marks come in really handy when it comes to putting the rows together as well as the repeats. It nests really close together. So let's see how this one's done. See, on this stencil there are 5 registration marks, and I'll show you how to use them. First, just transfer your pattern. Be sure to catch all the registration marks though as you transfer the design. And to repeat for your next repeat on the same row, I am going to line up this registration mark and that line. So you overlay the registration mark, make sure that line meets there, and transfer your next repeat. You do that all along the length of your quilt, and then when you come to your second row, you're going to line up this registration mark and this registration mark with these 2 registration marks. So just drop them right over on top of each other. It's really easy because as you're transferring this design, you're also setting up the repeats for your next row. So again, to repeat it, overlay this and meet that line with that registration mark and that line. And actually, if you look closely, there's another registration mark right here which will line up with that one. So it keeps you really on track, which is important, which is why I picked this stencil to demo, because it is so pretty and it nests very close together. And the reason why you can get it on there perfect is because of those registration marks. We can all agree this is a beautiful quilting stencil. It'll look great on any quilt. In case you're wondering, we do have it in a larger size too. It is 30530. Same thing, only bigger. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've learned a little bit about registration marks now. Happy quilting.